I'm Eppie.
And I'm Rollo.
And this video is called Evolution of a
the
Bobbin
bobbin
Winder.
winder.
When I started this business, I had no idea how I was going to wind my bobbins. And right at the beginning, I got an order for 100 kits, which would require me to wind 800 bobbins in the space of an evening. My dad quickly saw there was an issue, so he stepped in. Jump in.
Stepping in. Here is the first bobbin winder with spinny bit, with thread guides, with a measuring system made from a very new depth finder from a fishing thing, a bit of flexi hose found in my dad's old workshop, and an electric drill. So we'll put that on. And there we have that. Now we thread. I don't know how this works really. I've forgotten.
No, I will show you. So basically, the thread went on this spinny thing. It went through here. It got wound through the depth finder. It would then go wound through here, come out here, bobbin goes on, wind up, Bob's your uncle, depth finder tells you how many meters you wound onto the bobbin. All good in theory, but big problem. Problem number one, it's actually really hard on your hand using a drill repeatedly for hours and hours and hours. Issue number two was all the thread kept tangling in these.
But they're brilliant.
And
Adjustable.
And so we knew we had to have a new iteration. And another issue.
And
Issue number three. Oh, yeah.
thread cutter.
Issue number three was that the depth finder really didn't work, and so we'd end up just doing it based on theory and time anyway. So we moved on. Get rid of that one. Rubbish. Version number two.
Version number two. Does this actually work? Ooh.
No.
No. Oh, blimey. It works. It still works. So here, little 12-volt electric motor inside the box of gimmicks and an RPM counter so you could see what speed you were going at. And you could adjust the speed to roughly to what you needed. And then bulldog clip, but bulldog clip fixed quite badly, and rubber bands for assistance. So
it worked, but the problem was it had a delay. So when you pressed the button, there was a delay to when it started, and we would find we'd get these weird power surges, which didn't make it very easy to have consistent bobbins, and we found that quite a few times the bobbin winder was breaking. So we knew it was still a bit of a bodge. Therefore, get rid of bobbin winder number two, chuck it. Bring in current iteration of the bobbin winder.
Beautiful box, a bigger box. Inside, an electric motor from a car windscreen wiper, which are remarkably cheap on Amazon.
Don't tell everyone how to make one.
No, you can't get them on Amazon. None of these parts came from Amazon. None at all. They're all very special. So, very simple. And then you don't need to go and have an RPM meter. You just need to have something simple with the bulldog clip, but attached in a very cunning manner.
And the good thing about these, you'll notice, is the speed can go up fast, but you don't get anywhere near the level of vibration. We found they're super consistent. When we were preparing for Chelsea Flower Show, we had to prep over 100,000 bobbins of thread. So these bobbin winders go through their paces. We now have 4 versions. Dad comes down to London for regular maintenance. And tell them about your next secret bobbin winder.
The next one will count its own number of revolutions internally, and it will stop when it's done exactly the length. So you won't need to use time or anything else, and it'll just go and put it in, press it. It will do 20 or 50 revolutions, which each revolution is a centimetre, and then you will know exactly what to do. It will stop, take it out, put the next one in, and that will be it. Apart from the automation bit where a card maybe drops in automatically, but that's a bit complicated.
I'd say at this point, the bobbin winder's become more of a hobby than necessarily improving for our own processes.
Yes, you might be right.
There you go. So that is
the bobbin winder.
No.
Oh, what?
We're going to say that is The evolution of the bobbin winder.
The evolution of the
bobbin
bobbin winder.
Brilliant. That's great.